Good morning, students. This is class 7. Today I am again going to continue to complete your lessons. This is Unit 3, Section 3, a ballad, that is a kind of poem, The Ballad of Mulan. Class 7, New Pathways of your English course book, and this poem is in Unit 3, Section 3. Children, today I am going to discuss on the exercise given in your lesson, that is the poem appreciation, that is a summary of the poem by filling in suitable words or phrases. Before that, I am telling you about the poem, that is the the ballad. What is the ballad? Ballad means there is a kind of poem where a narrator tells a story, and it is often of folk origin and intended to be sung. Children, बैलेड एक तरह का गीत है जो हम लोगों का देश में भी पहले बैलेड गाया जाता था। ऐसे कुछ कवि होते थे जो राज दरबार में, गांव में वे गीत गाकर राजाओं का कहानी, देश प्रेमियों का कहानी सुनाया करते थे और लोग सुनते थे। कुछ कवि ऐसे थे जिन लोगों के पास कुछ चित्र होते थे, उस चित्र को दिखाकर लोग पुराने योद्धाओं का, वीरों का, राजाओं का गीत गाते थे। इस सभी को हम लोग बैलेड्स बोलते हैं। एंड दिस इज एन एंशिएंट चाइनीज बैलेड. Later on, it was translated by Hans H. Frankel. Okay, now let's start the fill in the blanks, and that is also the summary of this poem. Okay, students, one by one I am telling you so that you can write easily. And children, you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the related videos. Okay students, let's start now. Mulan said, waving. The word is waving. You can take it in screenshot so that will be easier to write. Waving and sighing in her room because she was concerned for her father. The previous night there was an order issued by the Khan. Okay, is it clear? Each of the 12 scrolls carried her father's name. He had been asked to join the army as he didn't have a son who was old enough to fight in the army. That is written here. Next, take his place, fill in the blanks, place. She bought a spirited horse. Okay, fill in the blanks, spirited horse. In the east market, a saddle. In the west market, a bridle. In the south market, and a long whip. Okay students, long whip. After that, you see, you will take the screenshot so that you can write it easily. Okay students, now after leaving her place, she camped on the bank of the Yellow River. Okay, that is the Yellow River. The next evening she arrived at the Black Mountain. Is it clear? That is Black Mountain. Next, the generals died in the war, but after a 10-year battle, they won. On their return, the king rewarded his soldiers and his splendid hall. Splendid hall is here. Okay, next. Mulan was not interested in the post of a minister. Okay, after all she wished for was a swift ride back home. Okay, Mulan's parents went to greet her. Outside the wall, his sister fixed her ragu to welcome her, while her brother whetted the knife to prepare for the feast. Mulan took off her wartime gown and dressed like a woman. Okay, students, after that. Next, you see that. And dressed like a woman, her comrades. Here you see it is written, her comrades met her at the door. They were surprised because the brave soldier they had known for 12 years was a girl. सैनिक लोग सब हैरान हो गए क्योंकि उन्हें पता ही नहीं था कि मुलन एक लड़की है. She was a girl. Okay, that is the poem. That is the ballad. You understood now? That is the heroic poem. A girl, and she was the soldier, brave soldier. Okay, and even that her partners, her comrades and other soldiers, they did not recognize her. Okay, so that you see here in this poem there is a literary device, that is you see onomatopoeia. You know that onomatopoeia is a literary device where there is the sound, whistling sound, जैसे हवा की आवाज़ होती है, सांप की आवाज़ हिश, like that sounds are called onomatopoeia. And about this literary device I have already discussed in my separate video. So students who are in my channel, and you must be in my channel, and you must watch that video also about the literary device, poetic device. हिंदी में हम इसे अलंकार कहते हैं. ठीक है, इस पोएम में भी देखो, that is the word tick tock of the clock, tinkling of the bell, बेल बजता है, ड्रॉप ड्रॉप ऑफ फॉलिंग वाटर, ये सभी जो है ओनोमोटोपोइया है. ओके, जैसे कि पोएम में भी है ना, फर्स्ट लाइन में आप देखोगे एक वर्ड है 6 sticks, लाइक दैट वर्ड्स जो कोई साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है, ऐसा वर्ड्स को हम लोग एक लिटरेरी डिवाइस कहते हैं, पोएटिक डिवाइस भी कहते हैं, और फिगर ऑफ स्पीच भी कहते हैं. और इस पोएटिक डिवाइस का नाम है ओनोमेटोपोइया. ओके, ओनोमेटोपोइक साउंड. Okay students, goodbye.